Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analyses of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we have something special in store for all you PC enthusiasts out there. It's the Cooler Master QUBE 500 Flatpack White Gaming PC Case. Let's dive right in. The QUBE 500 isn't your average PC case. It's a highly customizable, flat-pack case designed to unleash your creativity. From its compact size to its premium features, there's a lot to unpack here. First off, let's talk about the design. The QUBE 500 boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic with a white finish and tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your meticulously crafted build with pride. But it's not just about looks. This case is packed with features to enhance your gaming experience. From its vertical GPU mount to its USB-C port and carrying handle, Cooler Master has thought of everything. One of the standout features of the QUBE 500 is its modular design. Each panel is individually removable, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, with support for ATX motherboards and the latest GPUs, this case offers full-sized specs in a pint-sized body. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what customers have to say. Customers love the compactness, ease of construction, and value for money that the QUBE 500 offers. From first-time builders to seasoned enthusiasts, everyone can appreciate the quality and performance of this case. In conclusion, the Cooler Master QUBE 500 Flatpack White Gaming PC case is a top choice for anyone looking to build their dream gaming rig. With its customizable design, premium features, and compact size, it's a winner in our books. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!